started the stream. Able to hear me? 1 minute.
Yeah,
I
yeah, bro.
have, yeah, stream started. Uh, can you check in that once? I have started the stream, but can you check once?
Yeah,
Yeah, Achinda, stream started?
yeah, bro.
Yeah, started, right? Cool, nice. This screen is coming, right?
Yeah, I have shared screen, right? I think are able to see the screen.
Yes, I can able to see the screen. Just a minute, Sai. Once.
Okay.
I think you could see the screen, right? But can you check once?
No, bro. I am sharing the screen. Yeah.
In live, you could see the screen, right?
Yes, bro. Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine. Then we'll start. No issue.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. So, hi friends. Welcome to KB Tutorials. Today we are, trying to learn Java.
Yeah, I have shared
So
screen, right? I think are able to see the screen.
yes, I can able to see the screen. Sai, close that stream in your mobile.
Okay. Close it, bro.
Yeah, cool. No, no, I could see the.
No,
I
bro.
could
I
able to.
am sharing the screen. Yeah.
In live, you could see the screen, right?
Yes, bro. Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine. Then we'll start. No issue.
Yeah. Able to hear me,
Yeah,
bro?
yeah, yeah. I think some noise I'm getting somewhere. Today we are, 1 minute, 1 minute. I think myself
Yeah.
only.
I have shared
So
screen, okay, right? I think are able to see the screen.
yes, I can able to see the screen. Sai, close that stream in your mobile.
Okay. Close it, bro.
Yeah, cool. No, no, some echo I'm
No, bro.
getting.
I am sharing
My
the
voice
screen.
only
Yeah.
I'm getting somewhere.
Yes, bro. Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Then we'll start. No issue.
Able to hear me, bro?
Yeah, yeah. I think some noise I'm getting somewhere. 1 minute. Understood, understood. I think we are good to go now.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so hello friends, I have Sai with me, who is learning Java. Along with us, I am also learning Java. So we'll try to share our knowledge with this stream. Yeah, let's start. First, we will see the Java whether it's installed or not. If it is installed, we'll see the version, and also we'll try to install the latest version in his machine. Okay, so Sai, can you open the command prompt?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, to see that Java hyphen version
Yeah. It's 21, 20.
2020, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so most of the people will have the Java version installed in them. If not, we will try to show now. Go to the Google Chrome, Sai,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
open something, latest version of maybe, yeah. So yeah, Java latest version install, something like that. So one point I would like to say here is like after Java, right? 8, right? So previously it used to be with Oracle. No, sorry, not Oracle. It used to be with the Sun. Then from Java 8 onwards, Oracle has taken this Java. Then what happened is like afterwards, Oracle made a paid version for the organizations which are using the Java in their projects. So with that, what is happening is like there are two versions people are doing now after Java 8. There's something called OpenJDK. There is something called Java Oracle JDK. Okay, so OpenJDK is free of cost. There is nothing you need to pay. But when it comes to this Oracle JDK, you have to pay some amount if you are using in enterprise applications. Okay, if you are using in enterprise application, what you can do is, Sai, can you open JDK 21? This is Oracle JDK. Okay, you can open
Okay.
JDK as well.
This one, bro.
Yes, yes.
It's loading. This one it's not.
Okay, okay. This is Oracle version. This we can download and we can install. Maybe in a
Here we have
Google.
Open JDK.
Yeah, yeah, you can do that. Yeah. Ready use Java JDK 21. You can select Windows.
Yeah, here we have the option zip.
So this is a zip file, right?
Yeah, bro. Let
Okay,
me go back. It's a zip file. You can see now it's downloading.
okay.
Like it will take.
Okay, okay, fine, no issue. Let's close this. Okay, maybe in some other time we can
It's
show
around.
because it is a bigger thing, right? So, go to the close this.
Yeah,
I mean, you can cancel it. The download which is happening, right?
yeah.
You cancel the okay, huh? So once your application got so basically it's a exe file. You from there you'll get a exe file. You simply need to double click in order to install it. Okay. So after that, what happens is like in your program files, Java folder will get created. Okay. Open that program files.
Yeah.
There will be Java folder will be there. Right? Here Java. JDK. Select that. Go to bin. Yes. Select this entire path, this part, copy it, and in your Windows, you do something called set environment variables. Environment variables, yeah, yeah, yes. Environment variables. There, in the path is there, right? Go to the path variable. Yes, third one, I will. Third one. Yes.
This one, bro. Path or
Yeah,
system variables.
yeah, yeah. Come down. Here you will have a Java path. You have set the Java path, right?
Yeah.
Even there is a one more called path will be there. Close this. In path, it will be set properly. Yeah, here path. Yes. Now you could see the path is also there here, right? So in these two places, you can you need to set up. Okay. Once your setup is done, what you need to do is you simply need to restart your machine in order to set the Java in your machine. Okay, so since it is already
The
set,
restart is required, bro.
restart is not required.
No, no. Just I'm asking, is that required restart?
I believe yes, because what happens is like uh, in order to see all the changes, the restart is needed. Okay, in order to
Okay.
see all the changes. Okay, it's
Okay.
better to do that if it is not getting installed. Why to make more complications, right?
Okay.
Yeah, then what we can do is and let's start typing, let's start coding something. Open the Eclipse. Yeah, click on launch.
Yeah, it's loading.
Okay.
Yeah, bro. It's open.
Yeah, now go to file, go to yeah, Maven project. Yes, select that, and there you have a create a simple project, right? Select that. Click on next. Then give group ID something called com. Here artifact something like learning you give. learn, that should be sufficient. Here you give Java learn some, that is your project name basically. Yeah.
Okay, bro.
Yeah. Click on finish. Okay, so this should create your project. Okay, now you could see in the right side, right, there's a folder got created with the with the, name learn, expand that. Okay, so when
Yes.
you use this, right, there were three package structures were created here. Main, to hold the main files here, and the test folder is to, whatever that um, uh, whatever the Java classes that you have created. In order to test it, you can use this package. And also resources is like when you want to, access a file from some other folder. I mean, you have some application properties like that, right? And you want to load some files, you can put it here and you can use it in your main. So that with this, what happens is like you are trying to differentiate each and everything separately, right? So you have a main package which will do all your, business related. Test package where all the test related files will go. Resources is where you have the other items like application properties, some other external files you want to keep it, you can keep it over there. Okay, so in your main, just right click, and there
Yeah,
will
bro.
be create class will be there. New class, yeah. Something like, let's go with hello world first. H caps. So whenever you are creating a class, right? No, always remember one thing. Make sure the first letter is caps. That is, that is a very good practice. Okay. So I'll as well try to use the camelin, so are we stuck? Hello, able to hear me, Sai? Uh, Sai, able to hear me? Hello, hello, Sai, able to hear me? You have said something in your hand. Hello, Sai, able to hear me? Hello, hello. Okay, I think Sai left the meeting. Not sure why. Let's check with him once. Give me a 2 minutes, guys. Yeah. I think Sai joined back. Yeah. Sai, able to hear me?
Yeah, yeah, bro. I think some
Yeah,
network
share the
issues.
screen. Yeah, something happened. No issue.
Created the Maven project, bro. Let me share it.
Yes, I think. Yeah, so you have created the Maven project. Yeah. So what we are talking is always try to use this structure. Okay. First, when you are creating a class name, first letter should be caps. Okay. That is the first thing. Okay. And when you are creating a package, it should not contain capital letters. If you see here, learn is there, right? Which is a small. Okay. If you keep capital L, it will take, but it's not, a recommended way. Okay, so
Okay.
we have, what we have did is, what this is a good practice. Okay, now you put something, sys out and see whether this, project is running or not.
Okay, bro.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we're able
now
to.
you could see, right? And there is a
Yeah.
one actually I forgot the answer properly, but there's a very famous interview question here, like why main is a starting of a starting piece when you are trying to execute a Java class or Java project. Why Maven is a starting, I mean, sorry, why main is a starting, and why we are not creating any objects in order to run this. Okay, just Google it, Sai. I think
Okay,
because
sure.
it is a static method, right? So we
Yeah.
don't need to create some object like that. They will explain. I forgot exactly.
Okay.
You
Let
can
me.
Google it.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Able to hear me, bro?
Yeah, yeah, I can able to hear you.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to Google it later, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Please go.
fine, no issue then. Huh. So this is a very very beginners thing, right? Maybe in 2010 or 11 I did something like this. I think in 2015 or 17 I started the first Maven project. I used to create with a normal file new Java project is there, right? That I did something like this is afterwards I started learning. Okay, so even if you are using a you know uh, a Selenium perspective as well. Selenium WebDriver projects will be there. Right? You will create a Maven project like this in your pom.xml. What you do is you will add your libraries. Okay, so pom.xml is something like this. Here there will be a section called so here you will add certain tags like dependencies. In dependency tag you will add the your required dependencies. Okay, so this is a proper industry standard, and if you start learning like this, right, it would be really helpful basically. Okay, so now let's go to the hello.java. Maybe Selenium we will discuss later
Yeah,
on.
yeah.
Yeah, so
Okay.
so let's create a two variables here and do some addition by calling a function. Okay, so first what you can do is, yeah, come out of the main and create a function here. Yeah, no, if you are creating here, right?
Okay.
Uh, okay, you do one thing there. You create a function first, then we will try to use that. Okay,
Okay.
public. Your return type. What is a return type that you wanted to do? Huh? Something like not test, addition, something like that. You can use. Addition. That should be sufficient. Here, wait. So basically you have like this, right? So let's say like I wanted to keep function name as add numbers. What you do? I want function name as add numbers instead of add. What you do? Here
Uh,
you will instead of this add here you will change it, right? Can
yes,
you
bro.
change that?
Here.
Yeah, there. Add, no, add numbers. I want function name to be add numbers.
Okay.
Huh. Wait a minute. So if you do like this, right, that's why I asked you to change here. Okay. If you do like this, right? So can you
Mm.
able to read that properly? I mean to say, number is a different word, add is a different word, and here this is not a recommended way. What you need to do is that n needs to be caps so that
Okay.
it offers more readability and it makes more sense. Yeah. Now you could see
Mm.
it, you can able to read it properly and you can understand like there were two different words and we are clubbing together. Okay. This is called as Camelin case or Hungarian case model. Okay. The Camelin case is what we can call. Okay. And
Yeah.
this kind of structure, right, it is always good practice to name something like this even in your class as well. when you are trying to do, you have to name like this. Only thing is, in class the first letter is caps. Here in function the first letter is small. Okay, that one thing you need to ensure. Okay, then what you can do is, let's pass two parameters to this and return the sum. Okay, yeah.
Okay, bro.
So here you will pass it in add numbers. There you have the basis. No, here you're creating a numbers, Sai. I want you to
Okay.
pass the numbers. Yeah.
Here itself, do you want me pass, bro?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
No, 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 no. If you do like that, right? Okay, keep.
Mm.
If you do like that, right? Only that numbers you are taking. Okay, you need to generalize it, right?
Okay.
So
First, do you want me initialize here
no,
and then
no
we.
need, no need, no need. Here in add numbers, there you keep into number one,
Yeah.
num1, something like that, comma into num2, number. Num2. Okay, yeah, one minute. Make sure that is proper, and also there is an extra space is there, right, in the second
Yeah.
parameter. Can you remove that? Single
Yes.
space
Yes.
should be sufficient. That is the one thing. And also, if you are working in a very good standard project set, what happens is, like, there is something called styles they will provide here. The recommended way is, after comma there should be a one single space. Yeah, if you do like this, right, it is more meaningful. Of course, that space
Okay.
doesn't going to make any difference
Yeah.
to your Java application, but that style would be really good. Okay, now you have created something like this. You have added void, right? So
Yes.
what is a meaning? So what you are trying to do here with void? So that means this function is not returning anything. You are telling your Java application, or you're telling to your Java class, like, this add numbers is not going to return anything. It will only simply going to execute the piece of code over there, and it will not return it back to your main. Okay, fine, no issue. We will see that later. Okay, you add sysout here.
Yep.
Huh. uh, can you do one thing? That sysout starting is there you put enter, sorry, one space. Huh. Because it needs to be aligned properly. Yeah,
Yeah.
now you
Yeah.
could see it better, right? Now
Yeah.
number one plus number two, simple, addition. Let's do number one plus number two. Huh. Yeah, now from your main class, let's try to invoke that and see. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, here you type add numbers. Huh? And open bracket, and that bracket should not have a, that space should not be there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Huh. Pass something like 2 comma 5. Wait here. So is it allowing you to create? You could see that red mark, right? That means, is
Yes.
it allowing? Okay, before to that, can we minimize this package explorer? There is a minimize option is there. If you see, not that, that entire window I want you to minimize. There is a child slash pom.xml is there, right? Here
Yeah, bro.
there is a one file opened. Before
Yeah.
beside to that, the third, second one beside to that, left one, left, I mean, you go
Yeah.
left from child slash pom.xml.
Yeah. This one, bro.
To that left, there's a second symbol is there, right? To that left side, second symbol is there. Second one, yes, minimize it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so that it's more clear. Now let's go to the hello.java where we are doing. Yeah.
Yeah.
So can you able to run this now?
No, bro.
Basically, no. Why? Because it's like, you have created a method, but it is not allowing you to call that method, because this is not a static type. So in order to do this, what you need to do is, first of all, there were two things. you make this a static and try to use it. Here you have public void word public. After that, keep a static keyword. Keep a static keyword. Now you could see it gone, right? Now let's try to execute.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, now you got something called 7. Okay, now remove that static. Okay, now it is not allowing it. In this case, what you need to do
Yes.
is you need to create a object of your class. Okay, so how you can create a object of your class using new keyword. Okay, so that
Yeah.
will create a object in your heap space and you can call it. Okay, so before to line number 15, create something like this. Hellos, your class name. Hellos. Uh, Give something like H, hello, small letters. That also works, no issue. New hellos.
Uh, this one is
New,
fine, bro. Yeah.
fine, fine, no issue. New space, hellos. Okay. Semicolon. Yeah, yeah. Semicolon. Now, obj dot add numbers. Obj dot. Now you got it, right? Select that.
Yeah.
Pass some value, some 2 comma 5 previous one you can pass it on. Anything is fine. Yeah. Now execute this.
Yeah, bro.
Now you got it, right? So now you understood, right? If I
Yes.
have a static method, what I need to do. If I don't have a static method, what I need to do. You have little bit of idea, right? So
Yes.
basically, why we are doing something like this, why we are not doing something like this, is like if you want to keep a static in your project perspective, what it is like, usually reusable methods will be created. So when you want to do some reusable method, something like date formattings you have, okay. So user wants to enter some date and your DB have some other date format. So what you can do, you have to format that date formats and you do like that. Or else some connecting to DB, you have some precise logic where that can be used by lot of other classes. So in that case, it is always recommended to keep a static. And when you want to use it in other classes, what you can do is like class name dot that function name. Okay, let's
Yes.
explore that. Let's create a one more class. Okay, now you expand that your package explorer. There is
One second.
a beside to child pom. There is a one. Yes, yes. Click on it. Restore. Yes. Mhm. It is not there. Yeah. Now let's create a one more class there. Yes. Let's create a one more class inside the same package. Huh. Let's say like some name like add numbers. Let's keep. N should be caps because that's the second word, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
bro. Create
Yeah.
new class.
Now what you can do is let's try to access that particular class here, that particular
Okay.
method here. Okay.
Okay.
In hellos dot there you have it. Let's try to access that.
Here, do you want me access, bro? That one.
Huh. Now what I want you to do is remove this main here.
Remove. Where,
This
bro?
main method is there, right? In hellos dot Java. Remove this
Yeah.
main method completely. Motab, I mean completely. I mean that 3 4
Yeah.
lines you have it entirely remove it. Yeah. Now what you have? You have a
Agent deployment.
application here. Only one method is there, right? Add numbers.
Yeah.
Now you save this. Control S. Save and go to the add numbers. Now let's call this method from there. How you
Okay.
call?
With we can use the extents, right? No, you.
No, 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 no. Why that far? No. So simply create an object here, object of that particular class. Okay. Now you type that obj dot semicolon. Yeah. Put one more. Yeah. Obj dot add numbers. Pass some numbers. 2 comma something, anything is fine. Now run this.
Yeah.
Now you could see, right? Simple.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now
But
go
here
to
there is no main method. So here we have only used the different method. So with
yeah.
this method
So
we are calling in the
yeah.
main.
So one thing I want to tell you here is like in your real-time project, in your Java application, there will be only one class having the main method.
Okay.
Remember, there will be only one class having the main method. From there, the flow will start. So from there, this class will get invoked. Then from here, it will get invoked. Like that, some other class will get invoked. From there, the flow will start. Not all the classes will need to have a main method, right? Because that's not recommended as well. Okay.
Yeah.
So now you have this allows, right, and public void add numbers, right? Now let's do one thing. After public, let's add static. Keep the public,
Yeah.
let's add static. Huh. Static. Huh. Now go to the add numbers, save this and go to the add numbers. Now you see what is happening.
We
Okay.
need to here also we need to.
No need. If you when there is a static method is there, right? What you
Yeah.
need to do is you need to use that class name dot that method name. Okay. When there
Okay.
is a static, you don't need to create an object here. There is no need for object. Simply use that class name hellos
Okay. Okay.
hellos
Yeah. Hello. We have created the object.
yeah,
So,
copy it. You don't need an object over there. You just need a class name dot remove it. Yeah, dot add numbers and pass on it.
yeah.
Yeah, now you execute this. Now you got it, right? So
Yeah.
that's how you can use when there's a static method, when there is a non-static method. Okay, it is
Okay.
always good practice to keep your static methods as a reusable methods. Okay, and they will keep it in some other package. You can create a different package here and call that. Okay, now let's do one more thing. Let's go to the hellos.java where our add numbers method is there. Okay.
Yeah.
Here you have a public access specifier. Okay. There is something called access specifiers. This is a public. Okay. There were
Yeah.
three kinds of access specifiers actually: public, protected, and your private. Okay. Now can
Okay.
you change this to private? Now save it. Remove that static as well. Remove that static, no need. Okay. Now save it. Go to the add numbers. Let's create an object for this and see. Create an object for hellos. Let's create an object for this class. uh, yeah. Now let's try to call that private method and see what will happen. Okay, so you have this obj, right? Click on that
Yeah.
obj dot obj dot. Are you getting that method here?
No. It's no. It's
Are you
private
getting?
method.
Huh?
It's private method, right? I think we can add.
Yeah. So basically, that is a good thing about your access specifiers. Okay. Now, since it is a private method, you can only access that within your class only. Okay. Now go to the hellos.java.
Yeah, bro.
Here only inside this class you can access this method. You cannot access it, you know, beyond this class. Okay, so you must be asking like, then if I'm not accessing, then what is the purpose of having this private? Okay, so inside this class itself there will be, so basically what is the meaning of function? Okay, so what is the meaning of function is like, there will be, piece of code that will get called couple of times. And let's say in add numbers itself you have some 10 lines of code. Okay, and
Yeah.
inside your class it will get called couple of times. You need to run that couple of times. So if you copy paste that 10 lines again and again, it doesn't, I mean, it works, but it looks very cumbersome, right? It looks like, there is lot of thing is there. But if you move that to a function, what will happen is like, it is very easy, very readable, and wherever you have those lines, you can simply call this method. Okay. Now coming to private access specifier, here is like, it cannot be called outside of this class, but inside this class itself you want to use a couple of times some piece of code which needs to be executed, no, couple of times for some whatever the business reason is, then you can use this private. Okay, now let's do one thing, remove that private and go make it as protected. Mhm. Let's make it as protected. Okay, save it. Now go there, add numbers. Yeah, now you do that. Some Yeah, I think that should be sufficient. Let's run this.
Yeah, bro. We are able to.
We are getting it. Now let's do one more
Yes.
thing. Let's create a
Mm.
different package. Okay. uh,
Okay.
okay, so inside that main Java, uh, below to that source main Java, you have this, right? Layer, you create a one more package. Let's say like, but it is not a recommended. Again, you should not use that, letters and all. Let's say like, yeah, again, one minute, you should not have caps in your in your package. Okay, you should not have. If that's here again, wait, so here again there's a learn, there's a way, and those two are different keywords, right? So
Yeah.
what you can do is like learn dot way you can keep. Okay, that's a one way.
Mm.
Okay, click on finish. Now let's create a function here. I mean, let's create a class here. Add numbers, something. Okay, numbers, but n should be caps again, camel in case. Sorry if I keep on saying the same thing, but
Yeah, fine.
I just wanted to ensure that, it's fixed in your mind, so that
Yeah.
when you
It's,
are doing next time it should not be a problem for you. Yeah, now let's add that object of hellos. Okay, you have that class, right? Let's add an object hellos. Huh? Let's add that. Now obj dot, you are not getting, is it? Okay,
yes.
there is a red mark, right? Can you import that hellos here before to that? I think there's a red mark. I think you need to import that particular class here. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Yeah, import. Click on import. Now do that. Now again obj dot. Now, yeah, you are not getting it. So
Yeah.
basically, what I am trying to say here is like, if you have a protected method, you can use it only inside that particular package, not beyond that
Out of the package.
right? Now let's change that to the public type and let's see whether we can access here. Yeah, keep it to public. Save it. Now go there. Yep, you
Able
could
to.
see it. So yeah,
Yeah.
let's execute. Yeah, so I hope you understood that little difference, between public, private, and the protected access specifiers. And this is a very, very common interview question as well. Like, what is the difference between protected, private, and public? So, how
Public.
you answer, Sai?
Bro.
Yeah, how you answer if I ask the same question to you?
Yeah, like with the public, we can access irrespective of the package and the method, we can access out of the class also.
Mm.
So coming to the protected, so we can't access. We can access only within package.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
okay,
Yeah, so that is a major difference. And when it comes to private, that is like inside the
we can
same
access within the
class.
class
Yeah, yeah.
inside the
So
same class.
yeah, yeah. So that is a three difference actually. Like private, public, and protected. Okay. Now let's do one more thing. Go to that hellos Java.
Yeah, bro.
Here we have void method, right? Now
Yes.
let's create a one more method and let's return that value instead of printing over here. Okay,
Okay. So here, do you want to create one more method?
one more method, yes.
Yeah, bro. Create the
Yeah,
method.
yeah. So now what you do is here you are returning it. Okay, so how you are letting that Java knows that this method is not going to compute, it's going to throw it to someone. Let's say like you are in a you are in some this is a Christmas season, right?
Hmm.
So that Christmas Santa something like in your project, like you will give a gift to someone and someone will give a gift back to you, right? So
Yeah.
that is what this return is. I mean, it's a worst example, but
Hmm.
like someone is giving a gift to you and you are giving gift to someone back. Okay, that
Yeah.
means this method is not storing that, instead it is throwing it back. Okay, in previous
Okay.
method what happened is like someone given a gift to you, you said thank you so much, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, so here to let know that here public void is there, right? Remove that void. Okay, and keep int. Yeah, so int means what? You are trying to tell your Java application like I'm going to return an integer value. Okay, how? By using a keyword called return. Okay, you do return space. Now wait. Now here you're trying to add two numbers, right? So
Yeah.
it's always better to get it from the class that is calling. Okay, that numbers it is always good to get from the class that is calling. To do that, what you need to do, you need to have two parameters in this method, right?
Yeah.
So let's add two parameters here.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Added.
Now you will. Yeah, yeah. Now it's
Yeah,
good.
bro.
Yeah. Now let's try to invoke this from other class. So we have some other class, right? Add numbers. Yeah, that should be good. Huh. Now let's try to invoke this. Obj dot. We have add number 2. Okay. No, that is a previous method only. Calling.
Yeah.
Second one. Huh. Yeah. Now, yeah. Now wait here. So that method is actually throwing you something. Are you taking that here?
No, bro.
Now, so what you can do is let's define one variable here and assign the value to that variable here. Okay. So let's take something like int sum.
Where, bro? Here, the one.
They as well are a line number 12 only you can do. Okay.
Okay. Do you want me to create the variable here?
Yeah, create a variable int sum. Ha. Now what you do is you copy paste that above line, put it here. Copy it. Cut it. I mean to say not copy. It's cut it. Okay. Remove that. Now what is happening? That particular wave, that particular method. Get inside this method. Just put a control. Control and mouse on that. Add numbers 2 is there. Right? Add number 2. Numbers 2 function. Put a control. Open that implementation. That second option. Yeah, now you could see it here. This is returning, wait, this is returning integer variable. That means whatever the return after doing some business logic, it is
Hmm.
returning that value, and that value you are storing it in some variable. Go to that caller method in add numbers. Huh.
Yeah.
That you are storing in some variable, right? Now let's
Yeah.
sys out that sum. Now execute it. Yes. Now you got it, right?
Yeah.
The difference you are getting here. So
Yes, bro.
that method is returning something and you are storing that value over here. Okay. So that is the thing. Okay. Now if you observe this method, add numbers 2 is there, right? Yeah. Able to hear me, Sai? Sai?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I think you
That's correct.
connected to different Wi-Fi now. Yeah, no issue.
Yeah.
So you have these two things, right? There's a
Yes.
one method over there. There's a different method over there. Okay. So can you go to that hellos.java?
Yeah, bro.
Mm. Yeah. Instead of add numbers to, can you copy paste that above method name and keep it here? Huh. Can you copy this and name this as well, same. I mean not the parameters, that name of the method, add numbers to it. Keep it here. ha Now what it is saying,
Rename
duplicate
method.
numbers of type in hellos. Okay, 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 fine, no issue, I understood. Okay, now can you add one more variable in your parameters? Something called int. Now
Yeah.
it gone, right? Now you
Yeah.
do a b plus c as well. Okay, addition of three numbers.
Yeah.
Semicolon. Now go to your add numbers and here you need to pass one more variable, right?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, now execute it. No, no, no. That function name as well changed. Yeah, you can copy paste it.
Yeah, bro. Can I execute now?
Yeah, execute it. Yeah,
Yeah, bro.
now you could see something, right? So go to hellos, that is the sum of them, right? Having
Yeah.
100 and 140. Yeah, yes, yes, cool. Now this is called method overloading.
Okay.
That means I am having the same method name. I am having the same method name, but with different parameters.
Yes.
Okay, now
Yeah.
you can do one more thing. Okay, uh, but if you remove int c, is it taking?
Let me check.
No, it is not taking, right?
No, bro.
Remove that comma as well. Now you could see it is saying duplicate because overloading cannot do of return type. Here there is a different return type, but that is will not allow. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, but you can change this to void as well, not a big deal. Okay, if you change this to void, both are same only. Okay, but
Yeah.
on a different parameters this overloading can be allowed. Now you can put int c there in parameters, you put int c. Okay, now let's create a one more method with zero parameters. The first one is second parameters, third one is third parameters, right? Let's create a one more method. No, you are inside that method only, Sai.
Yeah.
Come out of that
Yeah.
method. Yeah, yeah. Let's create a zero parameters and four parameters. You can simply copy paste it.
Yes, bro.
Yeah. So this is uh yeah, you need to add some return type. Something like return zero, you add return zero, some number. Now you could see, right? This
Yes.
is a zero parameters. Okay,
Yeah.
now likewise you can add one more parameters as well. Okay, so the same method name you
Yeah.
are carrying with a different parameters. Okay,
Okay.
this is called method overloading. Okay,
Okay.
this is also a very, very, very common fresher 1 to 5 years of interview question, be it automation, be it development. Okay,
Okay.
and this method overloading is applicable to a class.
Okay.
Okay, this method overloading is applicable to a class. Okay, now let's do one thing. Okay, you have this add numbers class, right? Go there.
Yeah. Yeah. 1 second, bro. So before that, give me a second.
Sure, sure. Yeah, if you have any doubt, friends, you can always section so that I can help you out on this. Okay, so until now, what we have discussed is like we have learned to create a Java application using the Maven from Eclipse, and then we learned how we can configure the Java. Then we learned about how we can create a methods in Java, how we can create a you know different access specifiers like protected, private, and public types in Java. Those things we have learned, and we have also discussed about something called something called method overloading method with a different parameters, right? I think my friend Sai needs to step out, so maybe let's wind this up. Maybe next time we will take from here on. Okay, so if we do like this, right, so that Sai is also, will be on the same track, because all the code is there only, right? So I hope this is really useful for you guys. We'll try to, proceed like this, because I really enjoyed doing like this with Sai. I hope Sai also enjoyed and probably learned something from me. Yeah, I think I mean to say, like, I'm not an expert here. I know ABCD of Java. He knows AB. Okay, no one knows anything, lot bigger, but yeah, that's what I would like to discuss in this. I'll put this in the public. You can watch it out. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. It's me, Karthik, signing out.